Hi there. Today I'm going to speedrun Duolingo Danish. Last year in December I have finished language school. It's like Danish Education 3 Model 6. So it's like the highest level that you can get here in Denmark. So I just want to know like how it's going with Duolingo. I didn't actually open this app since I was just signed up for Danish courses. I was like, maybe I have not that big vocabulary anymore. So that's why I decided to speedrun it, because I want to know if I'm really good in Danish, how it's stated on the paper. So let's check this out. So I'm so happy to come back to Duolingo, to be honest. So we can see that 900,000 people are learning Danish. That's so nice. Did you know the population of Denmark less than 6 million actually? Shock. Okay, hi there. Okay, let's learn to support my education, because Danish Education 3 Model 6 gives you access to university degree. So you can take bachelor, master or PhD with this exam. I'm intermediate or higher. To be honest, I don't feel myself like I'm intermediate, even though there were some people who were kind of impressed by my Danish, but at the same time, I just know some nice phrases. I'm also using this ESA. To me, it's not like I'm good in Danish, but I mean, it's so sweet to hear from native speakers that I sound very good, despite the fact that I've been living here only for 2 years.
Velkommen, Hedvig.
Hilvi. Okay. Jeg hedder
Jeg hedder
Henrik. Thank you, next. Hi, Henrik.
Et
Det er højt og
og
grønt
grønt
træ. That was easy pretty, yeah? A duck is drinking. Nice. What was actually difficult for me is the word order in Danish language, because sometimes they use inversion and sometimes you also need to remember where to put adverb. So it's like on the right position, you know, because they also have some sort of like a word order inside of adverbs. So you should say like, jeg vil ikke faktisk, or jeg vil faktisk ikke. I don't know which one is better or which one is correct. Let's say like this. It's my ring. Got it? I want it. I got it. Oh, I don't know precisely how it's going to be spoon in Danish. That's like such a shame. But I know other words, so I guess it's ske.
Ske.
Ske. Lucky me. No, I just know like how it's going to be fork. It's gafle. At least something I know, right?
Bjerget er stort. Kan det være, han er faret vild?
Okay. The mountain, I guess, is big. Could it be that he has lost? The way, I mean, yeah, he has lost the way. Okay. Yeah, I'm not logical, because in Russian you can say like he's lost. Those articles, oh my god, I cannot, sorry. Yeah, the farm, or no, lies. I would say like allocated, but lies, you know. Okay, in the countryside, I thought like on the countryside, but I'm not a native speaker anyway. Fit. Do you have colored or white laundry? I have both. Actually, I don't understand why, but in Denmark, I cannot drink anything like orange soda except squash. Like there is also Fanta, and I used to drink Fanta when I was living in Russia, but here Fanta doesn't taste good at all. It tastes so chemical and a bit bitter, I would say, but squash is a really good one. Maybe this is how they're promoting like squash, by making Fanta not that tasty. I mean, squash is good. We like squash, we like fake scondi. Also, I switched from Sprite to fake scondi. Is it even legal? I don't know. Can't explain.
Gulvet i stuen
Oh my
er
God.
et trægulv.
What? Hvad for noget?
Gulvet i stuen er et trægulv.
It's trægulv. Articles are not for me. I'm so sorry.
Er den af træ?
It's made of tree. Yeah? Wood. Sorry. I told you, okay, I did not speak the language. It's a bit like out of the context, but okay. Nice.
Bruger du sæbe, når du vasker din krop?
Are you using soap? When you are washing your body. Whoa. Wee. Is it all? What would you say? I have had only 2 mistakes. It's not that bad actually, right? Whee! Cool, thank you. Yeah, only 2 mistakes over here. I love myself, I love my false. Okay, we're on unit 13. That's very nice. How many are there? Okay, 20. Let's jump to unit 20 and let's do it. So here we have like 3 hearts. We need to make it very, very nicely.
Grine.
In which direction is Tivoli lying?
Sydeuropa har en spændende klassisk kultur.
That's so true. I like it.
Han vandt kun, fordi han var højest.
He won only because he was the tallest. I wanted to say like the highest, but you know, like he was not high, right? Anyway, your hotel lies few meters like away or few meters from this from center. Centrum. From center, as center. Just center. Like in Danish, as you may see, there is no preposition. No preposition. Article is article, yeah. So like, okay. The center. Centrum. A few meters. That's, I got it. But the center. Why? Good.
Clap
for my... Wait, nej.
For mig. Hvor mange baner kan du svømme? Hvor mange baner kan du svømme?
Hvor mange baner kan du svømme? Is it? Hvor? I wrote no. Okay, but you got it. Thank you. I don't know. I have no clue what is baner.
Hop til rytmen. Hop.
It's not like a rhythm. It's just like rhythm. Okay. Hop to. Why didn't I even write to? Questionable. Henrik
er en tørstig.
It's supposed to be, I guess, what? Confused. Fatter, folk.
Folk.
But it's like plural, and feta is also kind of like plural, no? But I'm not sure what feta means. I guess like für is like a guy, you know, like, yeah, anyway. Feta. Oh my god, thank you. I got it. Oh no, actually it's just like section number 2. Okay, how many sections are there? So it was like 4 sections. Can we just like jump just like to the 4th one? So we can really like finish it. Spring.
Forår.
Nice start. The storm throwing like around the trees there. Throwing out, I guess. No, throwing around the trees there. Throwing around the trees out. Why so difficult? Okay.
Skat.
Skat. Hvornår lukker kroen? Kro was like a restaurant. I guess inn. I don't know what inn means, but okay. When did the inn? Castle? It's not jul. Ball. Christian's ball. Amelian's ball. Lake.
Sø.
Yeah, kind of hard for me to pronounce those words. In syg.
Syg.
Jeg er syg.
Syg.
Han er syg.
Syg.
Har det godt. What? Har det godt is like, is doing good, right? Is like doing well, like, just like, everything's fine.
Hvor højt kan du hoppe?
Hvor højt kan du hoppe? Yeah. Maybe like without E, because otherwise it would be like højt, yeah? Hvor højt kan du hoppe? Okay, let's try.
Mandag er helt vildt nederen.
Bam. Hello? Oh no. No. Help. I guess I'm done for today. So, what I can say is that I don't know that many words, right? And definitely I need to extend my vocabulary. This is the key result of today's video. Is it possible to pass Studieproben or maybe PT3, those important exams, without knowing some words? Of course. I guess the main point there is that you need to identify or learn how to identify nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives, and so on. So you can see what is what. So it will help you definitely. Of course, it's better to learn new words, and I guess I will come back to Duolingo just because I like this app. I really do. I do appreciate their efforts to make it accessible to all people to learn languages. So I guess while I'm not in the school right now, or I'm not doing anything outside there for learning Danish language, except I'm just talking to myself in Danish sometimes, like 5 minutes per day or something. There is a way for improvement. So just see you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Oh my god, it's kind of cloudy today. So that's why I'm not that happy. And if you want to know how I learned Danish, you can just click on this video and I will tell you everything that I do or did to learn this language. Bye.